Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And a Colorado on top. All right, we'll have that ready for you as soon as you get here. Thank you. So the really great thing about the Christmas season is you get to help a lot of people in this industry. And here at All Star Chevy, we just got a phone call that the big man himself, I can't say his name, Santa Claus, needs some help with trucks because the reindeer got sick. All of them got sick. So today we get a chance to really step up and show off our holiday spirit. I'm gonna go grab one of our salesmen and we're gonna go get these things ready for Santa to have the best Christmas ever.
A little bit to the right, to the right, to the right. My right. No, back up, come at it again, back up. No, not even close. Back up.
Look, we all thought Blake was crazy for saying he was gonna sell 8 trucks to Santa Claus. I guess that's $5 I'm not getting back.
Yeah, man, we got Santa's trucks all getting in right now. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be one of the best things. We're working on the presentation of it right now. I'm telling you, I'm pretty stoked about it, dude. I think the big red guy's gonna be really stoked. No, to be honest, I don't know where everybody... Excuse you, I'm working here.
So, we all know that Blake can be a little overbearing sometimes. But I mean, it's for Santa, so how can I say no, you know?
Come on. No, we're only doing one truck this time. This one's dead center. Dead center, perfect middle. Come on. A little bit more to my left, a little bit to the left. Cut it. No, come back to the right. Back to the right. Come on. Come on, hurry up. This is for Santa. We've only got 20 minutes. Come on. Come on. Back up. Dude, can you get anything right? Come on, no. It's terrible. Try again. It's terrible. It is off. You can't park a car. Come on, what are you doing? No, come on. Try it again.
Do it yourself.
If you want something done right, do it yourself.
Okay, might have gone a bit overboard there. Very passionate about making sure that we take care of one of our top clients, especially when he's buying like 8 trucks, kind of a big deal, and may have done some things in the moment that I'm gonna need to apologize for. But I mean, that's kind of the holiday season. Everybody gets wrapped up in those moments. Here at All Star Chevy, we're just as passionate about the season as you are, and we just want to make sure we get the best deal for every customer possible.